Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Stock Screener Ameritrade API series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So today's video, we're going to take the data that we have gone through, parsed through, grabbed out, put into a list of lists, and now we're going to place all of this data into a Pandas DataFrame. So, all right. Hey, make sure you're staying tuned until the end to watch any of these videos that are going to pop up right here, because I bet there's one that you haven't seen yet. So, all right, let's just go ahead and get at it. So we're going to place, so if you haven't seen the others, which I will try not to take so personally, but we hit the API, we dropped in all the tickers, we went through, we pulled out this right here, which is in last video's description. I will have it in this video's description. So what I've found are my key indicators, profit margin, PE ratio, PEG ratio, and just to kind of give me an idea, the 52-week high. So, all right, let's, I didn't see where, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now, like I said, we have a list of lists with this data right here. It's going to look just like that. And it is literally this simple right here. So now we need to make our column titles. So we're going to call those points. All right, and then literally it is just we're just going to copy this. Boom, right here. So this is what we're going to call them. This is what the keys are in the JSON response, but we're going to title them symbol, margin, PE, PEG, and 52 high. So because we know what that is. And then literally it is this simple. Let's just start and go from here. So df results. Get this out of the way so you can see results. Then PD data frame. The F is capital just to, I always had a hard time with that. And up here, all the list of lists is data. Then we drop in, I might have to stare at this, I can't spell columns, and we get passed in points. Close that out. And literally, that is it. So let's run this, and as we can see over here, oops, I need to be right here, run this. And as that's going through, we can literally just see. But this is one of the neatest things that I have seen, that when I started learning to program, that now, because when I was doing it, as you can see, they're just building here. That before I would put into my computer and have stuff come out on the screen. That was very cool. Now, then it got to the point where I'm now having criterion and I'm going out and I'm touching another computer and it's sending back information and I'm in control of the information that I'm getting. And when I saw that, I thought I was hooked before when all of these things were happening, but after this it was no holds bar. So then now we're going to have these as they were building. So now they're going to go through. Now we're running through each of them and placing them in the list, and they will start now going away. Boom, there we go. Okay, and it's literally done. So now df results, and here I go. So now we don't need that. So now we slide over. So to remind you, the way that, if you've not seen any of the Pandas series, again, we'll try not to take that personally. You can go and see two playlists. One is a Pandas and one is a Pandas project. But the way that this is there's my index. Here's how big, this is a 5289, 5,289 rows by 5 columns. And what this automatically does is it prints out the head and the tail of the data frame, just so you can get an idea. And we'll go from here. But real quick video today. Make sure you're staying tuned. Make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell, sharing this with people, and make sure you're joining tomorrow's stream over on Free Code Camp. We're going to be talking about some things that you may or may not have seen before. We're going to talk about main function. We're going to do our door game. We're going to answer some previous questions, but we've already answered them here. But who knows what the discussion is. We have awesome moderators leading the comments, helping us stay on task. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're checking these out at the end. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, join the Discord server, hang out with the community, ask your questions. Somebody's always on to answer. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.